do my makeup, I do my hair, the way I dress, the way I do my nails, and I feel like it's just something that is really, really fun.
Hi guys, welcome to a new vlog. I have a trip coming up, so I need a black dress, so I'm heading out with my mom now to go get it. And when I get back, I'll finish with my hair. I'm trying to finish my hair. This is all my hair. My hair is growing so fast, so I'm trying to redo my braids. I have a bunch of old twists here, so I have to redo that later. I just put on a cap and we're heading out now. It's so sunny. It is so sunny today. But yeah, let's go and get this dress so that we can quickly start finishing up on some things. So talk to you guys later. So I just got back and I found a dress. It took a while to find a corporate dress. It's so hard, but I'm going to lock in now and finish my hair because like I still have this to do, then I'm going to be done. So I'm just going to finish off this old twist. The sun's already down and I need the sun to finish up my video, so I'm just going to lock in and finish this. So I'll catch you guys when I have something else to do, maybe my nails. I'll see you guys then. So it is nail day and I'm dressed and I'm going to get my nails done. I've seen a bunch of transitions on TikTok because I realized I don't do that and they're fun. So like I'm going to make a fun TikTok. I'm just going to get my bag. What's the time now? It's currently 10:30. My appointment is for 11. I'm always late to my nail appointment, so I want to be early this time around. So yeah, let's go right now and I'll talk to you guys. No, sure, when I'm back. Talk to you guys when I'm back. I've not had my nails done since December, so we're due for a nail appointment. So let's go. Good morning.
Where's the package?
Okay.
It's amazing.
I was literally talking to you guys when the rider called that my package is here. I ordered shoes from Temu for the first time and these are my very, very important shoes for my trip. It has to go with my outfit, which I got was that yesterday or the day before? That was the day before yesterday. But I thought it was going to come on the 16th and the delivery process was very fast. In 5 days it's here, so I'm really, really excited because I thought it wouldn't come in time. So I have a few minutes, so let's squeeze in an unboxing. So let me unbox this right now. I ordered a few other things. I got a purse. So before we get into the shoes, I ordered 2 scissors. This one, let me bring it out. This one is for my hair. You have to use a particular type of scissors when it comes to trimming your hair. So I got shears, like the professional scissors. It's way sharp and you will get precise cuts on your hair. Instead of using like regular scissors, you get split ends with that. So I picked out scissors, and this other one I got it for like personal use. Then I also got a purse. I've been wanting a purse for a while, but the ones I see in the market or in stores are not my vibe. So I ordered from Temu, and let's see how. Oh, this is so pretty, guys. This is how the purse looks like. I want to see if you guys can see it. But this is how the purse is. It is so pretty. It has different compartment here. This is so pretty, and I think it can fit my phone. Yeah, it can fit my phone. It's so pretty. I love the material. It doesn't feel cheap at all, and I think I got this for like 3,000, so it was a really, really good buy. So now onto the shoes. These are the exciting ones. This package looks wrecked. I really hope the shoes are not. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh, I think they are so big. Are they going to be big on me? Guys. These are the shoes. Oh my freaking gosh. These are so pretty. Oh my gosh. I love the detailing here. It's silver. I don't have silver detailing. Like, I don't have silver details on shoes I have for a black heel. This is really good. I got this for 12,000. 12,000, guys. This is so pretty. And it also has like this see-through heel. Like the heel has this plastic thing. I think it's to make the shoe more comfortable. Now to test it if it's actually my size. Oh, it is even like a little bit. Oh my gosh. Oh my, this is so pretty. Like, I'm going to show you guys how it looks like. What freaking way. Like, this is gorgeous. Let me show you guys. There's the heel on. This is stinking cute. I don't know if you guys can see this. Like, it is so stinking cute. And I love the heel. I do not want a high, like a really, really high heel. Something comfortable. And this is really, really comfortable. Like, it's a work event I'm going for, so I wanted comfort and also something I do not have in my wardrobe currently. And guys, this is so pretty, and the quality on it, like, is really, really good for the price. 12,000. I'm going to be shopping more on Temu for shoes, especially like work shoes, because they have really, really cute things that you do not see in the market. Because if you go to the shopping malls in the market, they sell the same thing everywhere, and from Temu you can get really, really cool designs that you don't see everywhere. So guys, I'm like really gassed right now because I thought these shoes won't come in time. I was thinking I would just wear one of my old black heels because they said specifically you have to wear black heels and the black dress. So like oh, and they're really comfortable, like perfect size. I got a size 40. I usually go for 39 for my heels, but I didn't want to make a mistake. It's rather it's big than small, so I went for a 49. I went for a 40, sorry. And like, what the heck? I need a picture. I need a picture. I'm really running late for my appointment. I said I was not going to be late, but I just had to unbox for you guys. So let me go get my nails done, and what's left, I think I need to do a few more shopping, get a few more things. Then the travel prep is well on the way. I'm excited. These shoes are so okay, let me go now for real. Let me go now for real. Like, what So I am back home and I'm done with my nails. This took like 3 hours. Oh my god, guys, this is so pretty. I'm so happy I went with this because I had a lot of inspo I wanted to do, but like, this is pretty. I've been wanting to do this polka dot moment for a while now. Let me show you guys the nails up close. Okay, so this is the left hand. This is so gorgeous. Let me bring you guys closer so you can see all the detailing. I love the polka dots. This is so pretty. I love my nail tech. She is so amazing. Like, literally, I don't even look at what she's doing because I know that she's doing a perfect job. But guys, this is gorgeous, and this is my right hand. I think I love the pink better because, like, I'm a pink girl. Well, let me get you guys closer for the detailing on the flowers. I love polka dot. I think it's like polka dot season at this point. Boy, yeah, this is pretty. What to do is make lunch. I'm supposed to get a new box for my travel, but I cannot be bothered. I will just get some random box in the house. And yeah, we're traveling on Monday. Today is Saturday, so we have like Sunday and we'll get ready. I think I'm going to pack either tomorrow or tonight, so Yeah, sorry for the noise, but yeah, I think I'm gonna get lunch because I'm super hungry, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye. Happy Easter, guys. I'm just getting back from church, but I'm not yet done my packing, so I have to go and pack. But happy Easter, happy Sunday, and do have a nice week.
These views are amazing. You are a genius.
I will build you a dream house in Boston.
What place would this one?
You're making this choice for Christina.
She's not the only
And tell your husband.
Different outcome. Isn't that the definition of insanity?
With love. If there's a spark, there's a spark. Or maybe you think there's a spark. Hell is the time I actually figured that out because he brought him halfway across the country.
We're gonna get this form out anytime soon.
Yeah, but I get the irritation where I'm on it. C3 and C4.
You might as well go all the way to C5. And from the look of this lesion, that's when the bastard set up his eyes.
I don't want it to be any more basic than it has to be. Don't argue with her. She's starting her own sci-fi movie. You mess with her, she'll pull out a rig and atomize your ass.
And he's still pouting. You're a physician. Is this really the first time you missed a lunch in the crossword because of the surgery? You
Hell is the time I actually figured that out because he brought him